Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. I did a doodle, late night doodle, and I asked my members if I should make it, and a few of them said yes. Oh dear. I am using foam clay. Stick around. You get to see the worst thing ever made. Thank you to my subscribers, my watchers, my members, my likers, commenters, and those of you that watch to the end. You are awesome sauce. Anyway, yeah, foam clay, sticky, not sticky, weirdly not sticky, but sticky. I'm very confused by it, very, very confused. It sticks like chewing gum, but then it doesn't. Yeah, this stuff really confuses my brain. Because my brain tells me this should feel absolutely disgusting. And it doesn't. Now, for those of you that are heavy-handed, like me, don't bother. Seriously, just don't bother. This had me pulling my hair out. And when I say pulling my hair out, there's not much of that left. It's very thin. But yeah, I could quite happily have just gone, no, stuff it. I'm throwing it in the bin, not using it ever again. No. And I'm still at that point now where I should chuck it and thinking, but that's a waste of money. So it's at my desk staring at me. Thinking, come on, you can use me. You can do something with me. But, Now, I have seen tons of people using this stuff and things come out beautiful. So I haven't mentioned anybody because this is a big fat fail and I would not want my name attached to this. Unfortunately, it's me that made it. So I'm not going to put inspired by, because this is not inspired by anybody in particular, and it's also not an outright copy. I'm no copycat. You know, people who say they're inspired by something and actually they've just downright copied their idea altogether. You know, those kind of people. I'm not that. And there's quite a few of them lately. Not impressed. And so this is my own drawing by watching other people make stuff with this stuff, thinking, oh, I can do that. I'm sure I can do that. I'll give it a good go. And it comes out like this. Every time I turned around on it or touched it, it was just squish. There was no substance to it. It's just air. It's weird. I want to know how people work with it. I mean, look at that. I'm proper ranting here and I'm sorry. It is not the foam clay because, like I've said, I've seen lots of people use foam clay. Cognuts is one of them. And it comes out awesome. But this is just, well, I'm going to say if a 5-year-old child had made this, I'd be dead impressed. But I'm not 5. Mentally, maybe. But I'm not 5. So, yeah. I'm showing you that I'm not good at everything. I am my own personality. I am not somebody else's. So yes, I am not good at everything. And neither should you be. Because if we're all good at everything, then we'd all be the same. And you don't want to be the same. You don't want to be copying somebody else. Be your own person. I mean, I'm as mad as a box of frogs. And this looks like I've just come from an institute. And I'm using foam clay as art therapy. In this case, it didn't work. It just made me madder. I was like, what is this thing? See, I watch Nerdy Crafter a lot, and she does unboxing videos of things that she gets from either Temu or AliExpress. And when she gets something that's a complete and utter fake, she calls them cursed. Now I know why. Because this looks nothing like the drawing. This looks nothing like what I had in my head. This is a pile of foam that looks like a cursed cat, sat on some sort of basket with a splat on his head. And I will tell you now, I was thinking maybe if I put some paint on it, it'll look better. Well, it's been 24 hours since I actually made this thing, and it's sat on my desk, and I think it's creepy. But not creepy in a good way. You all know I like creepy. This is just a WTF moment. Because this is supposed to be an ice cream cat on a cone with ice cream on its head and a cherry and a waffle cone. Don't get me wrong, the only thing I do like about this is the waffle at the back. I do like the waffle, and perhaps the cherry if I'd actually got the right colour. But yeah, this is a cursed creature. I honestly cannot say how much I can't stand this. If any of you think this is cute, you can have it. Free. I'll throw it all the way from here. Because I think it's hideous. There's something seriously not right with it. It is definitely something like out of a horror movie. A cute, sickly horror movie, like the ice cream that melted. But, oh dear, I really can't stand it. I kept looking at it as I'm doing, I'm thinking, oh. And you know what's even worse? I started it, and I got halfway through it, and my video editing software decided to crash. So I had to undo it all and start again. Do you know how bad this stuff sticks to itself? It's a nightmare. So yeah, not only have I done it once, I've done it twice. It is just yuck. I mean, I suppose stick a bit of wire in the top, it can be a Christmas decoration. It's light enough to go on your Christmas tree. But, wow. Its face is just so, yeah, it's definitely something like a horror. Milkshake horror. Milky, ice creamy horror. The ice cream parlour that had disasters in it. And this is what came out of it. Oh, God. It's just, all kinds of wrong. I mean, the pattern on the actual waffle cone is not great. Because like I said, every time I turned it round or touched it or, well, even blew on it. That's a slight exaggeration. It were just not working. It feels nice, don't get me wrong, it feels really nice, but look at that face. It is the stupidest, derpiest, not even a cute derpy, it's stupid derpy. It's just all kinds of wrong. This is supposed to be a cat, this is just not right. I mean, I put that white down and thought, oh, I've took too much on, let's take some off. Yeah, big mistake. That stuck. So, I don't know whether to chuck this stuff. Because I've got no kids around here that's, you know, willing to take this off my hands. Or should I persevere and try again? I mean, it's proper wound me up because it don't look right at all. I mean, I'm always critical of my stuff, but this This is terrible. So yes, it is the worst thing I have ever made. Most definitely. And I'm trying to rectify the eyes because I put too much white in. But I put a little bit more black on, so that does make the eyes look a little bit better. Not much. And there's no brown, so I couldn't put chocolate chips in. The cat ended up being pink because there's no brown. I tried to make a deep red with the cherry, ended up with brown, which then ticked me off because that's the colour I wanted in the first place. It's been an absolute nightmare trying to do this one. So I will definitely not be using foam clay for my waffle monster that's happening on Saturday. Most definitely not. It will be polymer clay. So yeah, please come back for that one. It'll be better than this one, I promise you. This is just the thing of nightmares. But yeah, if you do actually want this, are you mad for one? And two, put your name in the comments. Good grief. Or email me or something, because I don't know what to do with this besides giving it to cat, chuck in the bin itself. Or after it's played with it for about half an hour. Actually, no, I won't, because I don't know if it's actually any good for them. Although one of my cats does like foam stuff. So maybe it's a new cat toy. I might take the whiskers out though, because they are a bit spiky. It's just a little bit of paintbrush, and so's the cherry top. So yeah, I am not going to paint this. I don't think I'm even going to put any photos up. I think, yeah, just look at this. Tell me what you really think. Please be honest, because, well, I can't stand it. But it has made me laugh. And it just goes to prove that it doesn't matter what you can and can't do, what you think you can and can't do. There's always something out there that makes it look terrible. I don't know, shall I do one again? Should I? I don't think I'm going to do this kind of thing again though. Maybe I ran before I walked. Maybe I should have done something simpler before I tried to do something a little bit more complicated. Or maybe I should watch more videos and actually see what they do with this stuff. I know I won't be buying any more. I do actually like the lightweightness of it though. So maybe it could be bases for my bigger stuff. I don't know if you can actually stick this in the oven though. That's the issue. But anyway, if you liked what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like what you see, please still give me a thumbs up. Hype me. Oh, God. And I shall see you all in the next one. Thank you all for watching, and I'm so sorry. Bye-bye.